Alright guys, let me show you guys what I'm working with today. We got I think like a 2016 or 17 Sierra Z71 up for detail. It's not that bad. Rims need a little bit cleaning. Color is very nice. Let's see what we've been working on the interior. Nothing I haven't seen before. This is actually very nice taken care of. I think we just got dog hair. Yeah, a bunch of dog hair. The whole car, before we get it done, we're gonna ceramic coat it. Put some ceramic coat spray, get it all nice and clean. Let me show you guys. Dog hair. It's everywhere. Right here. Right in this area. Under the seats. But we'll get this taken care of, no problem. We're gonna use purple power to clean slate the paint, basically strip it, make sure there's no wax or sealant, and then we're gonna put some Turtlewax ceramic coat wash. I got all the products right here. Tá? Sim. All this used to be covered in dog hair. Took about an hour just trying to remove as much hair as possible. But you guys can see the outcome.
right here, Purple Power, a lot of people don't even use it because it's not that popular, but this is very good to, like I said, strip the paint, get it ready for either a polish, or if you're going to seal the paint, or even add a wax. This will get rid of any previous wax, sealant, whatever you have on the car. This will take it all away. That way you can put whatever else you're going to add to the new detail. For today, we did this is called Turtlewax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. This is fairly new. It just came out a couple months ago, and that's what I use on that truck, and it looks amazing. Let me show you guys, if you guys can see.